Hey, my name's Sean Micel. I'm an e-com store owner and paid media buyer. And in this short video, I'm going to show you how I write headlines in Facebook ads that create cash crunching copy and conversions. So what I'm looking at here is the last 7 days. This is a test ad set campaign actually. And what you can see here is all these different texts. Retro gamers, are you tired of trying to find a, dot, dot, dot. What I'm going to do is show you how I actually create this copy. And it's very easy and it's very simple, and it'll help you create more conversions. So what I'm going to do is go in here and edit. And what you can see actually is we've got two that are, one that's an outlier that's getting most of the spend, but will probably go away. And then you got these two right here that are within like $3 of each other. Retro gamers, are you tired of trying to find? And retro gamers meet the only handheld, etc. This is what I do to get cash, just to get the type of copy that gets conversions. So what I do is first I call out to my target market. Now the reason why I do that is I'm targeting broad, so I want to make sure that the copy does the targeting for me rather than relying on lookalike audiences and interest targeting. And so what I do then is either call out a problem or call out a USP. So in this case, calling out the problem: retro gamers, are you tired of trying to find all your favorite old school arcade games in one handheld? And then the other one, and this one I think is probably my favorite, but retro gamers, meet the only handheld video game console that plays all your favorite games from the 80s and 90s. Now, the reason why I believe that these two work is one calls out a problem. Like my target market wants a handheld with retro games on it, and they can't find it. Either have to add them themselves, or they just, they have to play on their phone, which isn't a really great experience. And then this one right here works because it signifies like this is the only one of its kind, and therefore it has some intrinsic value, to what they're looking for, which is a handheld that plays retro arcade games. Now, the reason why these two I believe are working as well is you have the if-then statement. If you love playing old school games and play them in the palms of your hands, this will be the most exciting thing you watch. And then it's just, the benefits: nearly 5,800 of your all-time favorite games, spanning arcade favorites to popular console games, and all this stuff here. But in terms of your first couple lines, this is the template that I would use. Call out directly to your target market, identify a problem that they want to solve or your USP. And then the rest of it really kind of writes itself. You can try some things like, I'll show you here, where you can, try some kind of what I call outliers. You can see if we're using dynamic creative, so just if you're wondering, but that's image, sorry, text. There we go. Like retro gamers, you can see that this one slightly edges the Florida Man one, by $11. But this one here, it basically is just, kind of an outlier that I just tried. Florida Man creates handheld time machine with world's greatest old school games. It does, usually does pretty well. This is the last 7 days. I do last 30. You can see it's got a decided advantage over this one. But sometimes it flips. Sometimes, you run into customers that, basically want to see something different. So to recap, call your target customer, identify a problem they want to solve or USP. If you want the template to write these and copy and paste it and fill in the blank, just comment below. I'll shoot it to you in Messenger, and I'll see you in the next video.